In front of me is HONOR X7A, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Storage. Following that, click on Cleanup at the bottom. Wait a couple of seconds and choose Cleanup next to Junk Files. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!